Dome houses are blowing up right now, and it's easy to see why. These things are popping up everywhere, from off-grid retreats in the desert to eco-friendly suburbs and even backyard guest spots. People are ditching boring boxes for these futuristic, insanely strong, and energy-efficient domes that actually cost way less than you'd think. If you've seen those viral pics of wild dome interiors or heard the hype about disaster-proof homes, this is where it all comes together. You might be wondering, are these things actually durable? And the answer is a resounding yes. The geodesic dome structure is one of the strongest and most stable geometric shapes known. This means they can withstand incredible forces. We're talking hurricane force winds that would tear the roof off a traditional house, or even significant seismic activity. There have been countless examples of domes surviving extreme weather events virtually unscathed while surrounding conventional homes were destroyed. So the cost, that's always a big question, right? It's not as straightforward as just saying X dollars per square foot because it depends heavily on the materials, finishes, and the complexity of the design. However, what you often find is that while the initial build might be comparable to a traditional home of similar quality, the long-term savings really add up. We're talking significantly lower energy bills, less frequent exterior maintenance, and the inherent durability often translates to fewer repair costs over its lifespan. Let's address the elephant in the room for some people: furnishing a dome home. It's true, you don't have perfectly straight walls everywhere, but this isn't a limitation, it's an opportunity. Imagine custom-built, curved shelving that perfectly hugs the wall, or built-in seating that wraps around a living area, maximizing every inch of space. Many dome owners opt for modular furniture that can be rearranged or pieces that are designed with curves in mind.